Hey, I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Today we're out in Hilliard, Ohio doing some troubleshooting and repair on a downspout drain. The symptoms are the downspout drain continually puts out water. The sump pump cycles. Some of it comes up through the downspouts while the sump pump is cycling, and the rest of it is slowly draining out to the street. We're going to put a drain tile machine up through this line, see if we can't find any problems and or clear the problems in the line. Okay, that's hitting some resistance there. That's on beyond the sidewalk. I'm going to find out just where it is, and I'm going to mark this one because it feels unusual. Alright, so I'm going to spin the machine. I've got it in neutral, and I'm going to mark where the cable ends. You can hear it underground. So I've released the tension on the transmission at the machine, and I'm going to just listen in the ground, put flags in there, and mark where it comes underneath the sidewalk, as well as the furthest point that the cable has gone through the pipe. Dig it up in those areas, see what's going on. Okay, I've tried to pass this area with a drain tile machine cable about 10 times. That's a lot of times. And it just won't go with cutters beyond this point. Even though this pipe looks around, I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. Troubleshooting, drain tile cleaning, and repair can be difficult and time consuming. Some of them we're able to get through, some of them we aren't. This one's a pretty tough one. Tooth and nail, it is just full of roots here. I'm going to pull this out and see how far I got. Not too far, but lots of roots. Well, I'll try to go up one more time. Got about a foot beyond our dug area. The cable continued to cut roots, moving up the line slowly. Went about another 3 foot, dug that up. It just wouldn't go any further. Discovered a T in the line where a couple more downspouts connect from the front entry. That is just chock full of roots in there. Okay, well, I've gotten permission from the homeowner to go ahead and continue on with some troubleshooting here. Here's the root that's inside. This is the T that we were talking about in this section. And here's the roots that are in that line. I'm going to see if we can't pull that T off and determine where that root's coming from so we can continue on up the line or over to the spouts on the front entry. As you can see, we brought out lots of roots from the lines here so far, and I'm going up the T in the direction of the front downspouts of the home because they're coming over and meeting this main line from the left side of the home. I now have the left side clear. I've made it up through there with the cable all the way to the back, nice and clear. Just need to work on opening up this line and make an estimate for the repair. Hopefully we can get through there. The drain tile cleaning and troubleshooting on these lines took a lot longer than anticipated. Some are easy, some are a little more difficult. Okay, I've definitely made it beyond the blockage. I'm going to go up and listen at the spouts, make sure that the line is clear, and then just bring this back and try to remove all the roots once again. Alright, let's going up here to the spout. See if we can hear it. Should be loud and clear at the spout. Coming up to the front entry spout. I'm just going to set the camera down close. You hear that? That's the sound of a clear drain tile. That's the machine and cable turning inside of the pipe. Let's listen over here. Yep, loud and clear. Okay, well, here's the line coming from the front downspouts. Right now there's actually water coming out of there since I've cleaned it. Got a guy up on the roof doing some pressure washing, so water's coming down through the line. But this is what was blocking the line. Big old root was inside of the pipe right here, about 1.5 feet, 2 feet back on the line. I've got everything out of the line now. We've got authorization to go ahead and take care of this repair, so we're going to do it. See what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so I've got the front entry spouts hooked up using a bell connection, 3-inch pipe, 22-inch degree elbow, plus a 3-inch Y connection as to hook up both the main line and the front entry spouts. Now we just need to do the repair in the main line going towards the street. Okay, here's a really nice repair, all done here. Just got to cover it up, put the sod back on. This line's going to work great. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thanks for watching.